Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial using the new Morphe 35G Bronze Goals palette. I did just do a video of a review on this. I will post the original video down below, but I wanted to play around with it and I was filming a first impressions of a foundation and I needed some eye makeup, so I wanted to play with this and I ended up filming it. I also want to say thank you guys so much for all the love you've been showing me on my first video that I posted of the review on this. I'm so happy you guys liked that video and you guys liked the review. But yeah, I wanted to play around with it, so that's where I came up with this look right here. So if you guys want to see how I did get this eye look, then please keep watching. I definitely want to do something a lot different than I did last time, but I want it to be also wearable and easy to something wearable and very easy to do. If you were like a beginner at makeup, I want this to be like a really easy tutorial. So I'm going to first start off with this shade right here. I did use this in the last video, but it's a really nice transition shade. So we're going to use that again today. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here, and this is going to go in my crease also. When I put a darker shade in my crease, I do it with a lighter hand so that it's more transitional and like kind of ombre and blended, so it's not like all one color. So I'm going to take it a little bit lower, but still in my crease. Still hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear I wait. Kind of looking a little similar to my first look so far, but I mean all the like crease shades are pretty much the same. Next I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is like a light pink. It definitely needs Fix Plus, like I said in my original review video. I just haven't tried that shade, so that definitely needs it. I'm only doing it like right in the beginning to really open up my eyes a little bit. And I'm taking it up a little so it kind of looks like a cut crease, but without doing all the concealer and all that work. This shade definitely needed a lot of Fix Plus. I feel like it's looking orangey too. I really want this to be different than my last tutorial. Then I'm going to take this shade right here, which is like a pink, and that's going to go right next to that shade. And I'm not going all the way, I'm doing like right in the center of my lid. I don't know, I feel like it's going on orange too. I love using shimmer shades and like creating like an ombre on my eye. Okay, next I'm going to take the darker pink, and hopefully that doesn't come out looking a little orangey. I guess like the shades all really do look bronzy, but like I feel like they're coming out a little orangey than what I thought it would be. And we're going to put that on the outside of the lid. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. That actually looks really pretty. And it was so easy to do. And this is definitely wearable. This is definitely pretty for the summer too. I'm also going to go in with this shade right here. It's a little greenish, but like also yellow. And I'm going to put that right in the beginning of my eye too to brighten it up even more, because I'm kind of liking this like yellow, orangey, whatever we got going on. And we're going to take it right in the beginning. Oh yeah, I like that. It's going to go in my inner corner too. Well, this is actually one of my favorite shades now. It's actually like really pretty and it's not orangey. bring it, I guess, forward a little. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face and I will be right back. So we're just going to jump really quickly and do my waterline. We're going to, I usually do like a smoked out waterline, but I want to switch it up. We could do some colors. I'm going to take this yellow shade again, and that's going to go in my inner corner even more and underneath here. I just did a foundation review. Well, I'm not done with it. I'm in the middle of it. On the new IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Foundation. So I will link it in the description box if it's up right now, if you guys want to check it out. I think I'm just going to use the shades that I used on my lid underneath my eye as well. So I took that yellow shade. Now I'm going to take this dark shade and then this shade here, and I'm just going to do the same thing I did on my lid underneath my eyes. So I had to do a foundation review, so I figured I would just, as I'm doing my makeup, I'll do another tutorial using this palette since I wanted to anyways. Thought I would just film it. And guys, I'm not having any fallout. Literally, even before, I forgot to say, no fallout. I love that. I think it looks so good. I'm going to take by Pixie, it's the Eye Bright Liner in Nude. That's the name of it. I usually always do black, but I'm trying to like gravitate away from black. It's so hard though. We're going to take the L'Oreal mascara and very lightly on my natural lashes. Sorry, my camera stopped recording because it said my card was full, but I went ahead and finished the rest of my face, and I am literally obsessed with this eye makeup. It came out so good, and I kind of like it better than the first video I did. It just looks so good, very summery, very bronzy, and yeah. So this is now the second time of me trying out this palette, and so far so good. Everything blends amazingly. The shimmer shades you definitely need Fix Plus for sure. And yeah, but I absolutely love how it came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys are not already, please don't forget to subscribe before you go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.